In 1973, the Keswananda Bharati case established the basic structure doctrine, ensuring Parliament can't alter the Constitution's core framework. This was a game-changer for democracy, limiting the power of constitutional amendments. Fast forward to 1978, the Maneka Gandhi case expanded Article 21, emphasizing not just the right to life, but also dignity and freedom of movement, significantly strengthening individual rights. Then came Minerva Mills in 1980, reinforcing the basic structure and advocating a balance between fundamental rights and directive principles, protecting citizens from excessive government control. The S.R. Bommai case in 1994 defined precedent's rule, emphasizing federalism as a basic structure, thus curbing misuse of emergency powers. In 1992, Indira Sahni upheld OBC reservations but capped quotas at 50%, balancing affirmative action with merit. The Golaknath case in 1967 asserted that fundamental rights cannot be curtailed by amendments, highlighting their supremacy. Vishakha v. Rajasthan in 1997 laid down guidelines against workplace sexual harassment, paving the way for the POSH Act in 2013. I.R. Coelho in 2007 ruled that laws in the 9th schedule are subject to judicial review if they violate the basic structure, preventing misuse. The landmark Navdeep Singh Johar case in 2018 decriminalized Section 377, marking a significant victory for LGBTQ+ rights. Finally, the 2017 Puttaswamy judgment recognized the right to privacy as a fundamental right, igniting crucial debates on data protection. Each of these cases has shaped the landscape of Indian constitutional law, safeguarding our rights and freedoms.